On February 5, 2025, a routine police encounter transformed into a chaotic demolition derby when a driver turned her car into a multi-ton weapon, repeatedly ramming patrol units to escape.
Go down the window. HA58, will you send me another one? Go for it.
What's up?
Hey, we need to talk. Set that stuff down, okay? I need your driver's license. I need you to open the door for me, okay? Hey, open the door. Hey. HA58, she's trying to take off on me if people can expedite. Open the door now. Put the car in park right now. Put the car in park right now. Don't do that. Put the car in park! Open your door. Put your car in park right now! Turn off the car. You're not going anywhere. Will you block her in and bring something to break the window? Sorry, that was for 49. Turn off the car right now. Don't reverse. Hey, stop. Hey, stop right now! Stop your car! You.
I want you to move around 58's car. She's taking over.
Copy around 58 vehicle, picking off 1530.
Hey guys, let's call her back to Duffield's car. Driver, step out of the car right now! Hey, I'm coming over there.
And we got police canine. If you don't come out of the car, you're gonna get bit. Come out with your hands up or you're gonna get bit by the dog.
Are you good? Is it?
She just injected a needle into her arm.
Female injected a needle into her arm, 1532.
She did that several times while she was with me.
Not sure if we advise dog out. Dog out.
I'm going low.
Copy, reaching under airbag, throwing items in the back.
Dog in.
The horror intensified as officers surrounded the vehicle with weapons drawn, only to watch the woman start injecting herself with a needle, completely indifferent to the canine units and the wreckage closing in around her.
It's fine. Pull dog out.
Hey, pull the dog out. Hey, hit the unlock. Okay, I'll unlock it.
Keep your hands up.
There's a lot of open syringes on the floor. Yeah, she was just sitting there injecting needles in her arm while I was trying to get her out.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, I'm good.
I saw her hit you hard. You all right? She hit Stan hard. Yeah, she rammed him and then hit the ground floor too. Talk about that.
Why are you asking me so bad?
Maybe because you ran into one of our
No, that was before. I'm saying, what was I doing?
before you ran into one of our cars.
When I was just sitting at the gas station.
I don't know if it's time for me to talk to you at all. Like, say someone down and stuff, but this is one of my employees' cars, so if you guys need...
Well, I'll read you your Miranda rights so we can have a chat, okay?
For what?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Are they aware?
Yeah, I honestly saw what was going on, and I grabbed my key and locked the front doors and stuff.
Smart.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Right over there. He has really bad luck with his cars with people hitting them, so... yeah, I think in my rush... Oh, no, in my rush to lock the doors, I think I probably got myself with the screwdriver a little bit.
Do you understand these rights that I read to you? It's a yes or no question. You can say no. Yes, no, maybe so. All right, cool. Hey, what's your name? You have to tell me your name. What? You can't plead the fifth to telling me your name. If you don't identify yourself, I'm gonna add another charge. Or we can just do this.
Yeah, that's
You
fine.
locked the front door with a screwdriver?
Yeah, you can use an Allen key, but we were... One of my prep girls said that she saw a second individual get out of the car earlier, maybe.
Oh, okay.
She said she thought she saw someone get out of the car and take off that way.
At what point?
Before this.
You were using drugs right in front of me. All right.
Manager that would have video footage. Perfect. We have a report that a male exited the vehicle as a cop arrived. We'll just double check so I can rule it out.
Yeah, have her come out.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
And have the owner of the car come out.
Yeah.
Dude, we don't have any cars left.
I will take the weekend off. You can borrow mine.
You saw someone, at what point did that person get out of the car?
So I'm pretty sure it was when the cop car pulled up over there. I saw someone get out of the car in a brown hoodie with a gun and then run for it that way. And then I was just
Brown hoodie, male, female.
Sorry,
Okay, officer shows up. That's okay.
You want me to slow it down just a bit?
Just there. Go back.
Oh, sorry. It only records when something moves right here, so it tends to lag, but...
So that person's just probably, okay, they're probably associated with their vehicle here
Yeah,
then.
and I was watching, I was in this window, and I never saw any other people around because I pretty much told everyone to go inside at that point.
No known person that left the vehicle.
I don't think I saw
And that way?
Could you just do name, phone number, and date of birth, and then just description of those things? So I'm gonna go check with the gas station now for footage.
Unless it was a third-party witness, I didn't see anyone else. I didn't see anyone bail, unless I'm blind.
Well, that's a problem you're telling me.
That'd be news to me.
Okay, well, we'll just check.
I walked up and she was literally just she was burning on a little can. I was about to inject loaded needles because she just shot herself up like 7 times as soon as I
can't find any. I bet you she knew right where they were all at.
Okay, well, I mean, I saw her use it right in front of me, so she'll get possession either way.
I want to sincerely apologize to you for not finding her original.
No, you're good, man. Well, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's what it is. And she's 55. But then I pull up and she's literally got a lighter underneath the can, heroin.
Everyone to go inside at that point.
No known person that left the vehicle.
Yeah, that was a good. I thought that was gonna be me, but she swerved at the last second and went to him. I was about ready to just come and end it, and then I was like, crap, I don't have my seatbelt on, so I slowed down, and she took that chance to swerve away from me and go straight into him.
The date was February 5, 2025, and at 3:25 p.m., a routine police encounter transformed into a chaotic demolition derby. When officers ordered a woman to exit her vehicle, she didn't just refuse, she used her car as a multi-ton weapon. Ignoring every command, she repeatedly rammed into patrol cars and civilian vehicles in a desperate attempt to flee. As officers surrounded the car with weapons drawn, the situation grew even more grim. While boxed in, the woman was observed injecting herself with a needle multiple times, completely indifferent to the canine unit and the officers closing in. After a high-tension standoff, she was finally apprehended and removed from the wreckage. The aftermath revealed a wake of destruction and a stash of controlled substances. She faced a long list of charges, including aggravated assault and reckless driving. Ultimately, she pleaded guilty to several felonies, receiving a suspended prison sentence and a jail term. This harrowing footage highlights the deadly intersection of drug addiction and vehicular violence. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of high-stakes investigations with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.